Hi everyone, I am Ashish. I am a fresher and I have done my engineering from NSIT Delhi. Currently now I am studying in IIM Calcutta. My overall percentile CAT was 99.74 percentile with a 100 percentile in LRDI section. So the agenda of this particular video is to tell you how to score a 99 percentile in the next 5 months. As I said, I have a 100 percentile in LRDI. But even I didn't solve all the sets that were in the paper. There is usually a misconception that you need to solve the full paper or attempt all the sets in order to get 99 percentile. But that is not the case. Let me share a fact with you. In the last 5 years, there has been a trend that if you solve 50% of the paper fully correct, you'll most probably land near 98 to 99 percentile. Let's say you solve one set completely without any negatives, you'll most probably clear the cutoff of most of the IIMs. My daily schedule in the next 5 months would be to solve one sectional for LRDI every day. So during my preparation, I solved around 800 sets in a span of 8 months. That makes it 100 sets per month or 3 or 4 sets per day. So ideally, in the next 5 months, you should be giving one sectional test for LRDI every day. And just in case you are not able to give a sectional test, then make sure that you solve 3 or 4 sets per day in a time bound setting. If you solve 3 or 4 sets per day for the next 5 months, I don't think there is anything that will stop you from getting a 99 percentile in LRDI.